ಹಲೋ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ತ್ರಿವೇಣಿ ಸಂಘದ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ತ್ರಿವೇಣಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಹುರುಪು, ಹೊಸ ಭರವಸೆ, ಹೊಸ ಸಾಧನೆ, ಹೊಸ ಕನಸು, ಸುಖ ಶಾಂತಿ, ಆಸೆ, ಹೊಸ ಆಸೆ ಭರವಸೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತು ತರುವ ಈ ಯುಗಾದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಖ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಯುಗಾದಿಯ ಹಬ್ಬದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಬಾಲಕ ಬಾಲಕಿಯರು, ತ್ರಿವೇಣಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಕೂತು ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷಪಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. So, as an organization president, I welcome you all for today's program, Yugadi, and I wish you all happy Yugadi. And I thank everyone for coming here, who has presented the program and being here, supporting us, encouraging us, and that means a lot to us. Thank you. Your presence and continued support and encouragement and dedication to the organization has helped Triveni to stay stronger and grow stronger, and we've been from last 48 years. In couple of years, Triveni will be celebrating 50th anniversary, and I'm proud to see that we will be looking forward to celebration. We need your support, encouragement, and participation. Let all of us get together, unite as a one family, and let's all of us celebrate 50th anniversary in 2026. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. Please, we will let you know ahead of time and save the date. As a part of this event, we do have raffle ticket sponsored by Amma's Indian Restaurant, and I request everybody to purchase the raffle ticket. And this is a generous contribution and donation from Amma's Indian Restaurant. I thank the Amma owner Balakrishna for his generous donation. We have two drawings. We're going to draw 2 times. One drawing is going to be around 5:30, and one is going to be at the end of the program around 6:30. We do have come up with one rules for this drawing. The person who is going to hold the winning ticket must be presented to get the gift certificate. If they're not present here, they have to forgo the gift. Then we'll be pulling another thing. I think that's very fair, so that we should all be here so that you can get a $100 gift certificate for Amma's Restaurant. Enjoy the delicious meal. Once again, I thank you all for coming, being here, supporting us, encouraging us, and being a part of the Triveni. I look forward to spending more time with you guys and spending more events together. And I thank you. Once again, happy Yugadi from Triveni Kannada Koota and also Triveni EC member. Thank you.